Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how you can install CloudStream on your Android TV. The method is same, which is to install live net TV on Fire Stick. So you just have to follow this method. So install Downloader app in your TV. For that, just open the search bar from the main menu and just search for Downloader. When you search it, just click on this Downloader and just install this Downloader app. Once you install this Downloader app, within settings you have to enable unknown apps for Downloader as shown in the figure. You can see the screenshot. Now once you enable unknown apps for Downloader, just open the Downloader app that you have installed. Now in search, just search for CloudStream. Here you can see it is search for live net TV, but for CloudStream you have to just search for CloudStream. When you search it, there will be in CloudStream app in front of you. So you just have to download and then install that app. Once you install that app, you can launch and open it and can enjoy it. So this is the way how you can install CloudStream on your Android or smart TV. Thank you for watching.